how you can export a video that you've edited on your CapCut. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us jump right into it. First, just open up your CapCut. Now, this is the CapCut first interface right here. You can sign in if you want and just create a new project. Now, right here, you will need to import a video. So just do that. Now I'm just gonna add a really random video like this, and after you've done that, just open it up. You can edit it as you want. As you can see right here, I can edit its audio, speed, animation, adjustments, and whatnot. I can even cut it down like this. And even delete the chunks of it. And after you've done that, after you've done with all of your edits, just look for export button on the top right like this. Tap on export, and on export you can change its title, give it whatever name you want, and just choose its file location and its resolution too. 4K is the best one, so I'm just gonna go with the 4K. Now you can just choose the bitrate too, and so much more. You can even choose the format and frame rate, and after you've done all that, just tap on export and just let it do its magic. It's gonna take some time to export it, but after it's done, you will get your edited video on your file location. So yeah, that is pretty much it. This is how you export a video or anything that you've edited on your CapCut. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.